Fire alarm systems. Fire alarm systems protect lives and property by detecting danger early and triggering fast, coordinated responses. Proper fire alarm system design, installation, and maintenance are critical to safety and compliance. At EFTI, we deliver live instructor-led training that teaches how to design, install, inspect, and maintain fire alarm systems to meet modern code requirements. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the fire alarm systems courses we offer. Canadian Fire Alarm Design, Installation, and Maintenance. This course covers design, installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting practices for commercial and industrial systems to Canadian standards. NFPA 72 training. This course focuses on the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code, teaching compliance, system documentation, and inspection procedures aligned with U.S. codes and standards. Our training is interactive. Ask questions, solve problems, and work through real-world scenarios, whether you attend online or in person. Our courses are designed for fire system and electrical personnel, contractors, inspectors, and facility or property managers responsible for fire alarm systems in industrial, commercial, and institutional buildings. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Build your expertise in the technologies powering the clean energy transition. Enroll in our energy storage systems training today.